Haloalkenes means what? Right. When one hydrogen atom of an what guys? Alkena. I told you already.
Alkane.
Alkanes alone. Alkane is replaced by a halogen atom. We get haloalkane, or we can say halogenoalkane. So both are same. So what will happen, everybody? Alkane, please remember, alkane, we are going to replace how many hydrogens, everybody? Replace one hydrogen. Understanding? By halogens. Then we are going to get haloalkanes. That's all. That is the standard formula of haloalkanes. Alkane, one, replace one hydrogen by halogens, they'll turn up into haloalkanes. That's all it is. Are you clear, everybody, what I'm saying? So example. So what is that, all of you? For example, methane. First, what is the first compound? Alkanes. N is equals to 1. What is the first compound? CH?
CH-4.
4. So replace one hydrogen. Replace one hydrogen by chlorine. So what will happen, everybody? It will turn up into CH3Cl. So this is what we used to call it as a chloro, CHOLO. CHLORO, chloromethane. Do you understand, everybody? Are you clear, ma? So I replaced one hydrogen with what? All of you. I replaced hydrogen with what? Everybody. Chlorine. Clear? Next one. Next compound, tell me, Ra. Chloromethane over. Next one what? Chloroethane, chloropropane. Next, C2H6, C3H8. So replacing with one chlorine. Replace one hydrogen by chlorine. What will happen, everybody here? C2H5Cl. Rest, you tell me, Ra. I am trying to make more so that you will get a practice. Next year, what will happen? C2H7. C2H7Cl. Next,
Cl.
C4H10 will be becomes what? C4H9Cl. So this is call it as, anybody name it fastly? What is this call it as? Mitakshri? Chloro.
Chloroethane.
Next one, make it fast. Chloro.
Propane.
Propane. Okay. Next one, everybody.
Chlorobutane.
Chlorobutane. Next, instead of chlorine, you replace with what? You replace with the bromine. Then instead of chloro, bromo will come. Instead of iodine, if you replace iodine, iodo. If you replace with the fluorine, fluoro. So everything. Now, this all are call it as a homologous. Do you understand, Mr. Vijay, what I'm saying? This is also call it as a homologous series. Are you clear, everybody? Harish? This is also call it as a homologous series, because for them also there is a common general formula. What is the general formula? What is the alkanes general formula? Anybody? Alkanes general formula.
CnH2n plus 2.
CnH2n plus 2. So now for the haloalkanes, general formula is we are replacing one hydrogen. So means, can we do -1 here? Anybody? Instead of +1, can I write, sorry, +2, can I write -1, +1? CnH2n plus 1, and additionally we are replacing with some other atom. That is what I am representing with the bond X. So this is the general formula. So what is the X, everybody? X may become chlorine, X may become bromine, X may become fluorine, X may become iodine. Purima ellame. Everybody understood, Ara? Yes? So now first, n is equals to 1. Let me replace with that. So what will happen, everybody? C1 H2 into 1 plus 1 bond X. So C1 H2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 bond X. That X, let me take it as a bromine. Then what will happen? CH3 bromine. That is what we are call it as a first compound. Chlorine means chlorine. Am I right, guys? Do you understand, everyone? All of you clear? Yes or no? So what is the general formula of alkanes? What is the general formula of haloalkanes? Everybody. CN H2N H2N instead of plus 2, what will happen? Plus 1 bond X.
Bond X.
Bond X. That is what is very important. Okay. I hope you all understand, everybody. So now you can make it, and structure also you can do it. So first one, again here also, IUPAC name and common name. Please learn IUPAC name and common name. Otherwise, it is impossible to answer in the exam. Exam always IUPAC names. Common names only they will give, and they will ask in IUPAC name. So common name, IUPAC name. Let us start with the first one. CH3Cl. So can you tell me what is the common name, everybody? Common name. IUPAC name I will say you. Chloromethane. What is the name? All of you? Chloromethane. Suffixa, prefixa? Suffix or prefix? Okay. And common name. Please note it. Common name is methyl chloride. Because what is the group it is present? What is the alkyl group present? It is CH3 Cl. So what is the alkyl group present here? Methyl. And chlorine is there, chloride, methyl chloride. If it is bromine is there, what will happen, everybody? If it is bromine is there, for example, CH3Br.
Methyl bromide.
Br. What is the IUPAC name? Anybody? What is the IUPAC?
bromide.
Bromo?
Bromo.
Bromomethane.
Bromomethane.
Yeah, what is the common name? What is the common name?
Methyl bromide.
Methyl bromide.
Bromide, bromide, chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride. Remember, please. Chloride, fluoride, bromide, iodide. Okay, va, Vijay? Understand? All of you? Yes? Everybody? Yes. Next, second one. Let us make 2 carbons now. I will take C2H6. I will replace with the chlorine. So C2H5, C2H5, what will happen, everybody? C2H5Cl. Correct? Yes or no? Yes? Also,
Yes,
I can
sir.
write this one as CH3CH2Cl. Will you all agree with me? Both are same. Yes, Hari? Yes or no? Check it, everybody. Correct, ma?
It's
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Exam, they will give you this also. You should not get confused. Or draw structure. See, rend carbon. Rend carbon means what is that? Call it as a ethane. Yes or no? So first carbon, 3 hydrogens. Second carbon, chlorine must be there. So remaining 2 bonds are there, 2 hydrogen. That's all. So CH3, CH2, single bond CH. That is what it is. So what is the name? Chloro, and 2 carbons are there. What is that? Call it as a 2 carbons.
Methane.
So this is the IUPAC name. So what is the common name? Anybody? Common
chloride.
ethyl. So ethyl. Because what is the functional group here? Alkyl group. What is the alkyl group here? Alkyl group. Alkyl group is C2H5. This is what C2H5. So what is that alkyl group name? Call it as, everyone. Ethyl. Understanding? Ethyl and chlorine is there. So what will happen? Chloride will come.
Chloride.
If I write bromide, CH3, CH2, bromine, Br, then what is the name of this IUPAC name? Sigram, everybody make it.
bromide.
Yes. Chloroethane. Bromoethane is the IUPAC name. What is the common? Common name.
Ethyl bromide.
Ethyl bromide.
Bromide. Ethyl bromide. Understand, Ra? Everybody? Yes, please. All of you. Next, let me take third one. C3H7Cl. That is what? C3H8. We are replacing one. So can you tell me in the form of structural, this one structure, anybody? How it will come? CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. Will you all agree with me? Yes, Ari? You can check it. CCC. So three hydrogens. Already two bonds are over, two hydrogens, and one chlorine and two hydrogens. Am I right, everybody? Mitakshri? So that's all it is.
Yes,
So
sir.
CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. That's all it is. So now what is the functional group here? Check it, everybody. C3H7 is the functional group. So what is that functional group? Call it as? What is the functional group? Call it as propyl. That's the reason I taught you people. Propyl. So now what is the IUPAC name? Anybody can tell? IUPAC name.
Chloropropane.
Chloropropane.
Chloropropane. Propane. Chloropropane is the IUPAC name. What is the common name? Anybody? Common name.
Propyl chloride.
Propyl chloride. Very good. So propyl chloride. Always remember exam, they will give you the common name only. 1,000 times I'm saying you again. Again, if you are not doing, none can do it anything. And also one more thing I forgot. Chloropropane also they can call it as a 1-chloropropane. Don't get confused. 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane. Okay, so be very careful. Normal N, actually 1 is indicating that for the first carbon it is attached. That is the meaning of 1. So it is a chloro, bromo, whatever it is. For the last carbon, terminal carbon atom, which is numbered as 1. This is what is numbered as 1. This carbon is called it as a what? Terminal carbon. So the last carbon, it is named it as a 1. So that is why you have to remember. And also, common name also we can call it as a N-propyl. Please note it. N-propyl chloride, N-propyl bromide, N-propyl iodide. So this N indicate normal propyl chloride. Please note it. Don't get confused again in the exam. So that is what you have to remember. Okay, guys, everybody, all of you understand? Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. That
Yes,
is
sir.
what. Now, you can write it, everybody see. CH3Cl, C2H5Cl, C3H7Cl, C4H9Cl. This is all homologous series. CH3Br, C2H5Br, C3H7Br, C4H9Br. This is also homologous series. CH3I, C2H5I, C3H7I, C4H9I. This is also homologous series. CH3F, C2H5F, C3H7F, fluoro, C4H9F. This is also homologous series. All are haloalkanes. What is that, everybody? All are haloalkanes. Everything is call it as a, we used to call it as a what? Homologous series. Everything they have a general formula. All the things. What is the general formula, everybody? This all the things general formula. Make it quick. CN,
CN
plus 1.
H2N plus 1.
Cl. Here CnH2n plus 1 Br. Here CnH2n plus 1 I. Here CnH2n plus 1 F. So that is why we will say X CnH2n plus 1 X. X indicate what, everybody? Chlorine, bromine, iodine or fluorine. So that is what you have to remember. Okay, wow, everybody clear? Understand, Amma? All of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the most important thing. So please learn it. Till here, practice it. Then tomorrow's class itself will finish remaining all the functional groups 100%, and we will Go through that. General formulas is most important. I'm expecting everybody will learn everything. I hope you all clear with the today's class. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. You need practice. We are all humans. Me also tomorrow I'll forget. You are also will forget by tomorrow. Only thing is practice is needed. So kindly understand why I'm saying you and have a glance till here. Try to write. See, everywhere I'm writing minimum 5 compounds, minimum 4 compounds. You need to know up to minimum with the proper structures, everything. Write this one as like this CH3Cl. Next one also write it, everybody. What is that? CH3CH2Cl. Next one CH3CH2CH2Cl. Next one CH3CH2CH2CH2Cl. So like that, please write it. Do you understand what I am saying? Abhirami, Harish, like this you write, because exam they will ask you this only. So by that time you are not supposed to face any difficulty. That is what is the intention. So please write it. What they will ask, which they will ask, we cannot predict it. So make sure it, draw the structure and try to write the condensed formula also. Then it will be very familiar in the exam. The more you practice, the more you can do better in the exam. So once this functional group's over, then directly we'll go to the chemical properties of carbon compounds. Over. Almost 70% of chapter is completed. Once if you finish till here, then remaining thing we can easily finish it. Okay. So please kindly make it attention and do it. Okay. Thank you everybody. Get back to the work. Try to draw all the structures, condensed formulas, whatever you have done. Take 1 hour up to 7 o'clock, no problem. Finish it, learn it. Only one functional group you learn today. What is the functional group you learn today? Haloalkanes. That's all. So do it and learn it, and then only tomorrow we can come for the alcohols. I want to be everybody clear with everything. Do with all 4: chlorine, bromine, iodine, and fluorine. Everything. Chlorine, chloride, bromine, bromide, iodine, iodide, fluorine, fluoride. Okay. Minimum how many compounds you have to do it, everybody? Minimum how many compounds you have to do it, everyone? 5 compounds. Okay.
5 compounds.
Yes. Do it and learn it. Thank you, everyone.